Hello guys, we are having urgent hiring update from Soft to Save company. It is looking to have for the role software engineer role trainee. They are conducting walk in for freshers guys. So if you are from 21 to 21 or to 24 to or 23 or 24 batches, you can walk in directly for this opportunity. And also we are having other opportunities like AVASOFT, Cognizant, HCLTech. HCLTech is looking to hire for graduate trainee, and Cognizant also conducting walk in and AVASOFT is looking to hire for the role HR role guys. If you are interested for these opportunities and want to know more details regarding these opportunities, let's get into the video. So guys, so here you can see Software Save company is looking to hire for the role software engineer trainee. They are conducting walk-in interview for freshers. So they mentioned 0 to 1 years of experience can attend for this opportunity. And if you have knowledge on Java or Python, this is one of the very good update from this company guys. And qualification they are looking for BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MCA for 22, 23 or 24 passed outs only. They mentioned they have only 7 vacancies and they are offering a very good package 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. Location they mentioned Chennai, Navalur. You must have key skills software development, and time and venue for walk-in is today, that is 30th November 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. guys. They also mentioned interview venue details here. Skills required if you have any technologies, if you have knowledge on any technologies like Java or Python or C++ or C#, with logical and analytical thinking towards the programming. And they mention qualification also here, immediate joiners. So interview process, first level is MCQ, after that programming test, and finally technical interview. These are the details that they mention here guys. If you are interested, don't miss it. We are having a mega mock-in from Cognizant company. It is looking to hire for voice role, voice process, and they mention it's a mega mock-in for freshers, and they have 30 vacancies guys. Time and venue for working 30th November 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. They mention location here. You can see Raheja Mindspace IT Park, Madhapur Road, High-Tech City, Hyderabad location, Telangana. So they mention job responsibilities and other key skills also here. You can see BPO International Call Center, BPO Voice Content Moderation, International Process, International BPO Voice Process, and International Calling. So these are the details guys. Here you can see if you are interested for this opportunity, don't miss this opportunity guys. HCLTech is hiring fresh graduates. They actively recruiting graduates in Lucknow and Nagpur location. So it's a great opportunity for you people. Title they mention graduate trainee role, global service desk. It's a full-time role, and location also they mention here. Graduation year 21 or 22 or 2023 or 2024. So if you are from these batches, you can apply. You can register. They also mention registration link here. So qualification graduate they mention, and if you click on this link, it will be navigated to the Google form that you have to provide all your details. Mainly here you can see guys, CTC offered as per the standard HCLTech credit applicable, basis 60% and above percentage eligibility criteria. Service agreement for 12 months and in case you leave before completing 12 months, you have to pay 50k to the organization. So location applied for Lucknow or Nagpur. Full name, you have to mention your full name, contact number, and email ID, permanent address, and everything. After providing all the details, please submit the application. Thank you. Microsoft is hiring for the role HR executive. So if you are interested, like a HR executive role, so you can registration. You can register for this opportunity. Registration closes on 30th November. That is today only. They also provided link here, guys, and virtual group discussion. 1st and 2nd December 2024. HR discussion will be on 6th December 2024. Experience they are looking to hire for the for 0 to 1 year, and required skills: excellent communication, highly adaptable and flexible, people oriented, and attention to detail. They also provided location here. So scan QR code also here mentioned here. So for registration, if you are interested, you can click on this link. Then it will be navigated to the form that you have to provide all your details: name, college, year of passing, gender, email, mobile number, everything, and submit the application. So if you are interested and eligible for this opportunity, you will get further details. Thank you.